The third way that you can make a woman focus on your happiness instead of hers to infinity and beyond. What do I mean? For any relationship to go the distance, you sometimes gotta be distant, both physically and emotionally. What does that mean? Sometimes you just gotta go maybe 3 to 4 days without seeing her. Maybe a week. You need to never let her get used to you being there. That may sound assholey, but if she becomes accustomed to you, if she starts to be used to you always being there, what happens once again? She starts to focus on her happiness. And as I said multiple times, when a woman starts to focus on her own happiness, the relationship is doomed to fail. When she is aware that you are not always there, she's focused on you. Where is he? What is he doing? I want to see him. I want to be with him. And when you are there, she is more focused on making sure that the time that you spend together is pleasant, not annoying. Because she's trying to do everything to make you stay longer this time. Do you get me?